Hi everybody, it's Francesca de Valens here from Songwriting Club. I'm super excited to be sharing with you about our youth summer songwriting program that is kicking off next week. This summer songwriting program is available to kids anywhere in the world. It is an opportunity for kids anywhere in the world to learn how to write songs. Now, I said that it's a summer songwriting program, but if you're in the Northern Hemisphere and it's winter, you can also join this program. Now, I'm speaking to you from my apartment in Paris and it's very cold outside, but because it's an online program, it's an opportunity online. Anyone in the world can join if they're a kid between the age of 10 and 17. Through this opportunity, kids, you're going to write 10 songs in the next 10 weeks, and you're going to improve your songwriting skills through lessons with me, just short video lessons, songwriting challenges so that you have a finished song every single week. Plus, this is the part that excites me the most, is you're going to get personal feedback on your songs from leading songwriting mentors within Songwriting Club. And I mean, these songwriters are making a living from writing songs. They've got records out and albums out and singles out and music videos out, and they're touring even around the world. And these amazing songwriters are going to give you personal feedback on your songs so that you can continue improving being a great young songwriter. Why not go back to school with 10 new songs ready to play to your class or to use for songwriting competitions or whatever you want to use your songs for? Get gigs. Oh my gosh, how exciting is that? You could be playing gigs next year through 10 new songs. All right, if this is the opportunity that you've been looking for this school holidays, get on iHeartSongwritingClub.com and go to youth programs and sign up. Enrolments close December 18, which is only next week. All right, time to sign up. Bye.